Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about types of DC generators. So tell me, how many types of DC generators are there generally? Here generally we have two types of DC generators. What are those? One is the self-excited DC generator, and next one is the separately excited DC generators. Generally this is having separate excitation. This is very separate, and this is separate, self-excited here. And these self-excited DC generators are three types. What are those? Can you tell me? One is the series generator, other one is the shunt generator, and other one is the compound generator. Compound nothing but series and shunt combinedly. Series and shunt combinedly compound. And this is a shunt and this is a series. These are the different types of self-excited generators. See, what is series generator generally? Series generator nothing but where the field winding is in series to the armature winding is called series generator. What is shunt generator? Where the field winding is in parallel to the armature winding is called shunt generator. What is compound generator? First of all, what is separately excited generator? Here, field winding separately excited is called separately excited generator. Field winding series to the armature, field winding parallel to the armature. What is compound? Here, one field winding is series to the armature, another field winding is parallel to the armature. Sir, what is series? Generally, what is in series? The series field winding is series to the armature. Shunt field winding is parallel to the armature. Are you okay? So generally, this is the different types of DC generators. Okay, let's see what is compound here actually. Okay, yes, so this is compound generator. These compound generators are again two types. What are those? One is the cumulative compound generator, and next one is the differential compound generator. This is what the next step of compound generator. Here, cumulative compound generator nothing but the series field flux and shunt field flux both are in additive manner. Here not winding, here the fluxes. Flux when both are added, that is cumulative compound generator. And here the series field flux and shunt field flux both are subtractive in manner. Differential, that's why. This is cumulative, that's why. And here, this cumulative compound generator, again three types. What is this? Over compound generator, level compound or flat compound generator, and under compound generator. These are the three types. Sir, what is over compound? Here over compounding, where the load voltage is greater than the no load voltage, it is called over compound. Sir, what is under compound? The load voltage is less than no load voltage is called under compound. What is level compound or flat compound? The no load voltage and the load voltage both are equal, then it is called level compound or flat compound. This is the one way, and there is no any different types. We have only for cumulative 3 types. Other than this, generally the compound generators are again 2 types. Again 2 types. Other than this, here the compound generators are again 2 types. One is the long shunt generator and other one is the short shunt generator. Long shunt generator and other one is the short shunt generator. This is the next way. Long shunt have cumulative type and differential type. Short shunt have cumulative and differential type. Cumulative have long shunt and short shunt. Differential have long shunt and short shunt. Like that, we have a different types of DC generators. This is the different types of DC generators. In this, I said you this is separately excited. Separately excited nothing but the field winding excited like this separately, and this is the armature which is connected to bus bars or load or etc. That is separately excited. And this is the series generator. Series generator nothing but the field winding is in series to the armature which is connected to the load. This is a shunt generator. Shunt generator nothing but here the field winding is in parallel to the armature like this. And this is cumulative compound, differential compound. This is only based on the flux direction. Other than this long shunt and short shunt we have. What is a long shunt? Generally, the shunt winding is like this and series and armatures are like this. This is called long shunt. What is short shunt? Very simple. Here, armature, it is like this and the shunt is only parallel to armature. This is a series, shunt, separately excited, long shunt and short shunt. These are the different types of DC generators. We have to explain each and every generator. For example, they will ask you, what is long shunt generator? Long shunt generator nothing but what is there here? The series field winding is in series to armature. These two are in series and this combination is parallel to shunt. Yes or no? These two are in series and this is parallel to that combination. What is short shunt? Short shunt is very simple. The shunt field winding is parallel to armature and this combination is series to the series field winding. Like this, we have to explain each and every generator. We have to see what is the diagram, like this neat diagram, and what are the current equations and voltage equation and power equation. For each generator, diagram first of all. Next of all, mathematics, nothing but equations. And next one, graphs, characteristics. What is that? Like a OCC characteristics we saw up to now. And internal characteristics and external characteristics. We have to draw graph, diagram, mathematics, graph. Then after any relations are there with speed. We have to see all those for each and every generator. They may ask you question on this. Right? Are you ready? Right? Let's see each and every generator. Thank you.